See, all these things happen because somewhere you have not accepted the situation in your life. So, yes, I understand that you are angry. I understand that so many emotions are bottled up. But this is not something that you should worry about. This is not something for which you need to go to a doctor and take medicine. We have come up with a very wonderful treatment to help you come out of it. Once you are ready to practice, download our kit. But before that, you can go to our Yaha channel on YouTube and watch the videos, and also, if convenient, attend our campinars. Now, coming to the treatment, I want to tell you that our How to Overcome Depression Without Medicine kit comes up with wonderful activities. So you will not at all feel dull. When you practice the physical activity, you will feel energy. When you practice the mind activity, you will feel energy and aliveness and alertness and sharpness in your mind. When you do other challenging activities that we have given in the kit, your interest in life will come up like anything. You will start enjoying every moment of your life because all these activities will change the chemical balance in your life, in your brain. And that change of chemicals in your brain will as if give you a new life. So do not delay. As soon as possible, go to our channel, download the kit and help yourself, because this is the easy way of coming out of depression. We have come up with a very user-friendly kit which you can download on your mobile and practice as given in detail about the different steps, because we do not want you to worry and think. We have done all for you. Just go to it and help yourself.